Hello children, welcome to our EVS class. So beta today in EVS I am going to start a new lesson, okay? Yes. So beta first of all everyone tell me you all like to play games na? Yes or no? Yes, and every day you play different types of games, right? Yes or no? Yes. So beta today in this lecture I am going to start a new lesson, that is lesson number 18. The name is games we play, okay? What is the name of lesson number 18? So our lesson number 18 is games we play. Means our this lesson is related with games. Okay, yes. And beta in this lesson we will read about different games. Okay, yes. And you know this lesson is very interesting. Yes. So you all are ready? Okay, so now let's start our lesson. Okay, so lesson number 18, games we play. Okay, so now let's see our lesson. So now beta look at here, so many children are there and they were playing one game as we can see in this picture, right? Yes, two girls are there, one boy is there and also one woman is there. Huh? Yes, and these all children they were playing a game. Okay, yes, now let's see downside. Now let's see what is written here, what is here in our this lesson. Okay, yes. So all the children were playing hopscotch in the lane. Okay, so beta here as we can see in this picture, okay, we can see that so many children are there and they were playing one game. And what is the name of that game? That is hopscotch. They all are playing hopscotch in the lane. Okay, yes. Avantika and her sister Nandita were also playing. Yes, now beta here what is saying to us? Here saying to us ke Avantika and her sister Nandita were also playing. Okay, yes. Now beta here in green dress, okay, two girls are there, right? In green dress one girl is there and she is playing hopscotch. Her name is Avantika. And here in blue dress, okay, she is Nandita. Okay, her name is Nandita and she is the sister of Avantika. Okay, both are sisters, Avantika and Nandita. Okay, yes. Now let's see. But Nandita was not able to play the game in the right way. Yes, now beta here what is saying to us? Yes, what is saying to us? Here saying to us, okay, but Nandita was not able to play the game in the right way because she is small, and you can see she is standing there, है ना? Yes. So here saying कि Nandita was not able to play the game in the right way. Okay, she don't know okay how to play this game, how to play hopscotch. Okay, yes, she was not knowing about this game. Yes, now here what is saying to us? Here saying to us okay, she was not knowing about this game. Okay, okay, how to play hopscotch. Okay, yes, that is why she is standing there, है ना? Yes, and she is looking, you can see her in this picture, she is looking very carefully. And her sister Avantika, she is playing hopscotch, right? Yes. Now let's see. Now Avantika is saying something. So now let's see what is Avantika is saying. Okay, so listen to me carefully, Nandita. Yes, now here Avantika is saying to Nandita. Okay, Avantika is saying to her sister Nandita. Okay, कि Nandita, listen to me carefully. First of all, listen to me carefully कि what I am saying. Okay, so now let's see कि what Avantika is saying. So understand the game. Yes, Avantika is saying कि Nandita, first of all understand the game कि how to play this. Okay, through the marker in the first box. Okay, now here beta see, here you can see in the first column, there is a mark of red color. Okay, so वो रेड कलर का मार्क है एंड मार्क के लिए स्टोन का यूज करते हैं. ओके, सो वो रेड कलर का स्टोन है एज अ मार्क इस गेम में हॉपस्कॉच में उसका यूज किया जाता है. ओके, यस. So that is why here Avantika is saying कि through the marker in the first box. Yes, through the marker पहले जो marker है उसको first box में through करना है. Okay, yes. Then on one leg jump over this box into the next one. Yes, after throwing the marker in first box, first of all what you have to do? First of all, after that you have to jump on one leg over this box into the next one. Okay, means जिस box में first box में तो marker है, right? फर्स्ट बॉक्स में जंप नहीं करना है, उसके दूसरे वाले बॉक्स में जंप करना है वन लेग से. ओके, we play langdi na, with the help of one leg. Okay, yes. So like that बेटा, you know इस गेम में क्या होता है, जिस उसमें मार्कर होता है, जिस बॉक्स में, उसमें नहीं जंप करना होता, उसके दूसरे वाले बॉक्स में जंप करना होता है. दैट इज वाई हियर अवंतिका इज सेइंग के आफ्टर दैट, with the help of one leg, jump over this box into the next one. Okay, keep in mind you can put both your feet down together only in the boxes marked 4 to 5 and 7 to 8. Yes, now here what is Avantika is saying here, Avantika is saying ki keep in mind here, you have to remember one thing, कि you can put both your feet down together in which box, only in boxes that is marked 4 to 5 and in boxes 7 to 8. Okay, means you have to put your both the legs only in two boxes, in 4 to 5 and in 7 to 8. Okay, आप ये जो 4 to 5 वाला बॉक्स है और जो 7 to 8 वाला बॉक्स है, उसमें ही आप अपने दो लेग्स जो है वो रख सकते हो, अदरवाइज आपको आपके वन लेग का यूज करना है. ओके, yes, take care your feet should not touch the lines. Yes, and also you have to take care of one thing, कि your feet that should not touch, that should not be touched to the line. Okay, yes, if they touch you are out of the game. Yes, if your leg should touch. Okay, अगर आपके legs touch हो जाते हैं, then you are out of the game. Okay, yes, when you reach the last box, turn around. Yes, now here what Avantika is saying, Avantika is saying कि when you reach the last box, okay, after that you have to turn again around. Okay, yes, when coming back, pick up the marker and bring it back. Yes, and when you are coming back, okay, so you have to coming back, you have to pick up the marker and bring it back. Okay, yes, आप जब वापस आते हो तो आपको जो मार्कर है वो वापस लेते आना है. Okay, now throw the marker in the next box. Yes, now again you have to throw the marker in next box. Okay, similarly keep throwing the marker in all the boxes one by one and continue the game. Yes, now here what is Avantika is saying here, Avantika is saying कि as it is, similarly keep throwing the marker in all the boxes one by one and continue the game. Okay, अगर आप नहीं आउट होते हो तो आपको इसी तरह से कंटिन्यू गेम को रखना है. ओके, पहले आप मार्कर को फर्स्ट बॉक्स में डालोगे, ठीक है, उसके बाद फिर आप जंप करते करते सारे बॉक्सेस में जाओगे. 4 5 एंड 7 8 वाले बॉक्स में आप अपने दोनों लेग्स रख सकते हो. ओके, वापस आते टाइम आपका जो वापस ले आना है. अगेन जैसे आपने फर्स्ट टाइम फर्स्ट बॉक्स में डाला था मार्कर, सेकेंड टाइम सेकेंड बॉक्स में डालना है. ओके, एज इट इज सिमिलरली यू हैव टू प्ले दिस गेम. ओके, अगर आप आउट नहीं होते हो तो, अगर आप आउट हो जाते हो तो दूसरे का टर्न आ जाएगा. ओके, सो बेटा इन दिस वे वी हैव टू प्ले हॉप स्कॉच. ओके, यस, इस वे में जो हॉप स्कॉच है वो प्ले किया जाता है. ओके, सो एवरीवन गॉट इट. ओके, सो नाउ ऑन नेक्स्ट पेज. Okay, so now let's see what is saying to us. Okay, so the children started playing again. Yes, now after that all the children started playing again. Okay, since long, Kaki means auntie was watching them play. Yes, so here beta what is saying to us, here saying to us ke since long means कब से, जो उनकी आंटी थी, जो उनकी काकी थी. Okay, she was watching them play. Okay, yes, she too felt like playing with them. Yes, and she also felt like to playing with them. Okay, she could not keep herself from asking कि can I play with you. Okay, yes, and here what is saying to us, here saying to us कि she could not keep herself from asking कि can I play with you. Okay, so the children laughed aloud. Yes, and when she asked like this, okay, can I also play with you, can I play with you, then what happened, all the children laugh aloud. Okay, yes, now let's see downside. Avantika, yes, now Avantika is saying something. So now let's see what Avantika is saying. So Avantika is saying, Kaki, will you play? Yes, what Avantika is saying, Avantika is saying to her aunt ke Kaki, auntie, will you play? So Kaki, now let's see what Kaki is saying. So Kaki is saying कि do you think I do not know how to play hopscotch? Yes, what Kaki is saying? Kaki is saying कि do you think I don't know कि how to play hopscotch? At your age, we played so many different games. Yes, now what Kaki is saying to the Avantika? So Kaki is saying to not only Avantika, Kaki is saying to all, okay, do you think I do not know how to play hopscotch? At your age, we play so many different games. Yes. So now Nandita, so now let's see what Nandita is saying. So Nandita is saying कि which games did you play Kaki? Yes, now here Nandita is asking to her Kaki, her auntie, कि Kaki which games did you play? Okay, so now let's see what Kaki is saying. So now Kaki is saying कि Langdi, hide and seek, tiles and so many more. Yes, Kaki is saying to Nandita ke Langdi, hide and seek, seven tiles. These all are different types of games, na? Yes. So that is why Kaki is saying ke Langdi, hide and seek, seven tiles, and so many more. Yes. In Kabaddi, our team was the best among 10 villages. Yes. Also, what Kaki is saying? Kaki is saying ke in Kabaddi, our team was the best among 10 villages. Yes, means कबड्डी में उनकी जो टीम थी वो 10 villages में वो बेस्ट थी. Yes. Now Rajat. Okay, so beta, as you can see in that picture, there was one boy. Okay, so Rajat. Okay, so now let's see what Rajat is saying. So Rajat is saying कि चाची, how did you get so much time? कि चाची, how did you get so much time? Okay, we hardly get any time to play. Yes. Okay, Rajat what is saying to her? Rajat what is saying to his kaki? So Rajat is saying to his kaki or his chachi ke chachi, we hardly get any time to play. So how did you get so much time? Okay, so now let's see what Kaki is saying. So Kaki is saying कि you are so busy watching TV all the time. Yes, आप टीवी देखने में बिजी होते हो ना, इसके लिए आपको नहीं मिलता है टाइम प्ले करने के लिए. So now Nandita. So now let's see what Nandita is saying. So Nandita is saying कि Kaki, did Kaka means uncle play these games too? So Nandita is asking to her Kaki, her auntie, her chachi कि Kaki, did Kaka also play these games too? So now let's see what Kaki is saying. Okay, so Kaki is saying कि Yoga says that he used to play marbles, seven tiles, wrestling, kabaddi, gilli danda, and so many other games the whole day. Yes, now what is Kaki saying here? Kaki is saying कि Yo Kaka says that. Okay, Yo Kaka says that कि he used to play so many games like marbles, seven tiles, wrestling, kabaddi, gilli danda, and so many other games. Okay, yes, while flying kites, he would even forget his meals. Yes, now here what Kaki is saying? Kaki is saying कि while flying kites, okay, जब वो flying kites का time होता था, on that time he would even forget his meal. Okay, yes, you also बेटा you forget your meals ना on kite festival है ना. Yes, so like that here Kaki is saying कि your kaka okay, while flying kites he would even forget his meals. Okay, वो अपना खाना खाना भी भूल जाते हैं kite festival के time पे तो. Okay, so now let's see what Nandita is saying. So Nandita is saying कि Kaki, do come and play. कि Kaki, come and play with us. Okay, yes, so now Kaki started playing with the children. Yes, now Kaki started the playing with all the children. Okay, yes, they had been playing just for a short while when it started raining. Now after that what happened? They started to play, but what happened? They had been playing just for a short while when it started raining. Okay, जैसे ही उन्होंने स्टार्ट किया प्ले खेलना. ओके, जैसे ही काकी ने स्टार्ट किया बच्चों के साथ प्ले करना, वैसे ही वहाँ पे बारिश आ गई. ओके, मीन्स नाउ क्या करना पड़ेगा? अभी तो उनको उनका जो गेम है वो बंद करना पड़ेगा ना. यस, so you got it beta. Okay, so now look at here, downside, think and write. Okay, so now let's see what you have to do here. Okay, so which game do you play? Okay, so now here beta, one question is asking to you, okay, which games do you play? Okay, yes, which games you play, you know very well. So beta, here so many spaces has given here, so many columns has given here. Okay, so you have to write down the name of that game that you play. Okay, so here so many spaces as given here, so you have to do this yourself. Okay, got it? What you have to do here? Okay, so now on next page. Okay, so now let's see what is given here. So here beta, in this picture you can see they are playing chess, right? Yes, yes. So now let's see what is given here in downside. all the children, oh no, yes, after that what happened, बारिश आ गई. So all said कि oh no, है ना. yes, ऐसे हम ऐसे कभी हम ऐसे इंटरेस्ट से प्ले कर रहे होते हैं और बारिश आती है तो हमारा भी मूड ऑफ हो जाता है ना. yes, and we also say on that time कि oh no, है ना, इससे बारिश को भी अभी आना था. yes, so like that all the children here said कि oh no. okay, yes. Now Kaki, so let's see what Kaki is saying. So Kaki is saying कि let's go to my house, we will play inside. yes, now Kaki is saying कि let's go to my house. okay, now we will play inside. okay, now we will play an indoor games. okay, yes, the children were happy to hear these. yes, and all the children were happy to hear these. yes, now we will play indoor games. okay, yes, all the children. yes, now all the children, let's see what they are saying, all the children. okay, so come on, let's go to Kaki's house to play. yes, now all the children is saying okay, come on, let's go to Kaki's house to play. okay, yes, so the children came to Kaki's house. yes, after that all the children came to Kaki's house. okay, yes, inside the house Kaka and Fui were playing chess. yes, now beta here as you can see in this picture. okay, so inside Kaki's house Kaka means uncle and Fui, okay, were playing chess. okay, what they were playing, they both were playing chess. okay, वो दोनों लोग chess play कर रहे थे. Now Avantika is saying something, so let's see what Avantika is saying. So Avantika is saying ke what should we play. okay, yes, Avantika is saying ke now what should we play. okay, so now Rajat, so now let's see what Rajat is saying. So Rajat is saying ke let's play doll's house means ghar ghar. yes, now here Rajat what is saying, so Rajat is saying कि let's play doll's house. okay, let's play घर घर. so बेटा you play घर घर, आप घर घर play करते हो, प्ले करते होगे बहुत सारे लोग. व्हेन आई वाज स्मॉल ना, आई वाज आल्सो प्ले प्ले दिस गेम. मैं भी ये गेम प्ले करती थी घर घर. एंड दिस इज वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग गेम. ओके, yes, so Rajat is saying ki let's play doll's house. okay, that is known as also doll's house. okay, so Rajat is saying ki let's play doll's house means ghar ghar. okay, so many children, yes, let's play doll's house means ghar ghar. So many children are saying here ki yes, let's play doll's house means ghar ghar. okay, yes, so now Rajat is saying something here. So now let's see what Rajat is saying. So Rajat is saying if we had a doll we could have played with it. yes, now Rajat is saying कि if we had a doll, okay, so we could have played with it. Now Kaki, so let's see what Kaki is saying. Do you want a doll? So now Kaki is asking to everyone कि do you want a doll. okay, so let's make one right away. So let's make it na, if you want to a doll to play house to play ghar ghar. okay, so let's make a doll if you want that. okay, so Kaki took out some old clothes. yes, now Kaki took out some old clothes. okay, with Kaki's help children made a doll. yes, and after that with Kaki's help, okay, they all made a doll. okay, yes, some children wanted to play carom and other ludo. yes, and some children they wanted to play other games like carom and ludo. okay, yes, they formed group and started playing. yes, and to play the game they formed groups and started to play. okay, yes, so beta you got it. okay, so now on next page.